Okay, hi. So today I have a different product that I wish to show it to you. And in today's world of work from homes, virtual workspaces, I feel this will be one of the most indispensable product that you can have, so that you can work without any disruptions, even if you have power cuts in your home. So this is a router UPS. It's made in India. Okay, and this is a 12 volt model. Particularly, you can I think you can get it in 9 volts and 12 volts flavors. So I'm just going to open this, and I'm just going to show you how to connect it to your router. So okay, so this is how the box looks, and you have uh, quick setup guide, a couple of paperwork, and you have the UPS itself. This is the UPS. So this is a 12 volt DC model. It can supply up to 2 amps, and it has 3 into 2000 mAh batteries. Okay, so you have a on off button here, and you have the company's logo here, nothing much else, and you can mount it anywhere you want. Okay, so this is the router itself, this is the UPS itself, and apart from that you get a couple of wires that you can use to connect it to your router. So now I'll just show you how to connect this router UPS to your router. Okay, so here's my router which I'm going to power it, and this is the router UPS, and these are the cables that you will get along with the box. Okay, so there will be 3 cables in total. These 2 cables are used to power your router from the router UPS. You can use either this one or you can use this one. Okay, so if you see closer, this one has a bit larger jack, and this one will be a bit smaller jack. Okay, so different routers have different ends out here, the power ends, so you can use any of the wires that your router model supports, and this one is to power your router with your AC power supply. Okay, so let's keep it here. And the one thing that you'll have to make sure before buying this router is the voltage of your router. So to the easy way to check for the voltage is to just flip the router backside and check, and my router says it needs 12 volt, at least 1 amp power. Okay, so 12 volt should exactly match. You cannot put a 9 volt model on a 12 volt router, or you cannot put a 12 volt router UPS on a 9 volt model. Okay, then you will just break your router immediately. So you'll have to just check that before you purchase your UPS. Okay, and I'll just wire this real quick, and I'll just show you how it's done. Okay, so I just connected my router to the UPS. So the connection was very simple. So what was existing, this was the AC cable that was plugged back here. Okay, this was the existing setup that I had. So all I had to do is I had to just plug in the 2 cables that was provided in the box itself, and you'll have to just take the AC cable that comes from the wall outlet, and you'll just put it here, and this has to go into the input. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. Here it is, the input. Make sure the AC power is going into this input, and you plug the other cable to the out, and just take that cable here and you plug that out to the back side of your router. Okay, that's it. So it's very simple. So you take the existing AC cable, plug it to the UPS, and take the second out cable from the UPS and plug it to your router. So once this is done, you can just switch on your AC power, or if there is no power, you can just switch this on. Okay, as you can see, the router is powered up. You can see a power indicator here. Okay, and this means your router is running from the UPS. Okay, And this setup can at least power your router for a minimum of 3 hours to a maximum of 5 hours. The advertised power backup is 4 hours, but I'm very sure you can get at least 5 hours out of it. Okay. But this is the first impression of this router, and this works quite well. I just use it for around a couple of hours. For 2 hours power cuts, those stuff, there is no issues at all, and it gets charged up very easy as well. It does not heat up very much as well. And if you live in an area where power cuts is very frequent, and you do not want your internet connection to be disturbed, you can buy this router. It's very much recommended. I'll give you the links for this router down in the description below. If you're interested, you can just go ahead and purchase them. And I just feel you'll find this video useful. If you find it useful, please give a like, or if you find it very useful, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.